Hello, I'm in a 2007 Subaru Outback, and today I'm going to show you how to fill your gas tank. So first, from the driver's side, we'll go down, and you should see this lever here that will pull. That will release that cover that keeps it locked. So I'll head over to the passenger side now. And now you should see this cover is loose, so we can open it up. Now double check to make sure that nothing's bent or broken in here. Make sure you're going to use the proper type of gasoline. Double check for your particular make and model you're using the best kind, but when you're ready, I'll just unscrew this cap. For this particular one, I would probably use like an 87 grade unleaded. Whether you're at the pump or with your gas can, I'll just fill as needed. And when you're done, screw this back on tight, and it should click once it's tight. And when you're completely finished, just close this back again. And once you've got it closed, this is going to keep it locked. So now to open this again, we'd have to go back to the driver's side and pull that release lever. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.